And good evening, everyone. And now we are live on Autodesk Community Philippines Facebook page and Autodesk Community Philippines YouTube channel. And I am Daniel Rico Nakahata, your host for today, your OPA mechanical engineering student from Technological University of the Philippines, Manila. And a rainy evening to all here in the Philippines. And welcome again to our live stream here in Autodesk Community Philippines Facebook page and on YouTube channel. Once again, let me introduce myself. I am Daniel Rico Nakahata, an Autodesk student ambassador. And welcome to our viewers for tonight. Just keep sharing our live stream and tag your friends that might interested or you want to trigger their curiosity about Autodesk. You can freely tag them on our live streaming. And don't forget to register on the G forms down this live streaming. And feel free to connect to our meetup.com/Autodesk Community Philippines. Meetup.com to our Autodesk Community Philippines group and Facebook page and Autodesk Inventor user group Philippines, and also subscribe and click the notification bell of our Autodesk Community Philippines YouTube channel. So for tonight, it's about the master form modeling in Inventor. But first, what's Inventor? Inventor is a 3D mechanical solid design software that is developed by Autodesk. It is best suited use for industry professional who is seeking to create or to build a 2D and 3D model. But for tonight, we will be having a special someone who gonna share her knowledge about what is um, Autodesk Inventor and specifically on master form modeling. She is a 21 years old and she is known as the Catherine Bernardo of the University of Batangas. So without further ado, um, I am very excited to welcome this person, Ma'am Ana Cruciel Rivera.
Hello everyone, I'm Ana Crucia Rivera, a student ambassador of Autodesk, and let's start. For the first video, we're going to discuss about form modeling and some basic command that we can use in form modeling. Let me share my screen for the first video. Hi everyone, welcome to Master Form Modeling in Inventor. Basically, we will talk about how to create models using form modeling, and we will also talk about the ways how we can manipulate simple plane, box, spheres, and other form to create an amazing design or figures. But before we start drafting, I'm going to explain first what is form modeling. Form modeling was introduced in Inventor 2015. Autodesk Inventor Freeform technology is based on T-Splines. Many of you may not be familiar with what T-Spline is. If you ever heard of Rhino, this technology was developed and to be incorporated into Rhino and Autodesk about the technology and plug it into Inventor T-Splines. T-splines are cousin to NURBS. Freeform modeling uses T-spline surfaces, which are actually considered enhanced NURBS surfaces. T-splines technology generates surfaces with fewer points in comparison to NURBS surfaces, since edges with control points are allowed to terminate without traversing the entire surface. Freeform modeling is a virtual clay. It is a lump of geometry that you start grabbing, pulling, twisting, and turning, which you can push corners in very much like having that massive material in your fingers. And just working with it is a mesh of surfaces that are connected by T-splines. The freeform modeling is basically a direct manipulation method in which the user explores new shapes by pushing and pulling points, edges, faces, as well as the entire body. So why do we need form modeling? It is faster and more intuitive modeling. It is used to enhance a model to create a more visually compelling design. Creating highly shaped parts can be difficult using conventional modeling techniques, but with the help of freeform tools, it provides an alternate modeling approach to explore and create freeform shape models using direct manipulation. And lastly, it's easy to achieve smooth corners and shapes. So in this section, we were going to talk about the difference between a solid and a surface. A solid is considered to be a lump of material, and it has parametric design, and it has parametric history associated with it. You've got extrusions, revolutions, fillets, and holes, and drops, and things like that to build a solid model. It has mass that can associate a material with it, and the material density combined with the volume gives you that mass. And it also has a center of gravity calculation, and it permits an operation that's your joint command or your joint option in extruder to revolve your cut option and your intersect option. And the difference from the solid to a surface is the best way to think of a surface is infinitely thin sheet of material. It has no mass whatsoever, and surface modeling focuses more on the external aspect of an object, and it develops an object by stretching a surface over it with freeform tools that are available in Inventor. So for the last question, when would I use the freeform tools? When you want to lay down an organic surface without having to spend a lot of time designing and executing individual surface patches, the freeform tools comes in handy. These spline surfaces are straightforward and intuitive, and iterating through a variety of choice is a breeze. And now, we are done for the introduction of master form modeling in Inventor. In this video, we are going to tackle about the function of edit freeform geometry. Edit form command is used to directly manipulate and modify a freeform shape. On the home page, click the part to create a new part. On the ribbon, ensure that the Create Freeform is visible. If not, right-click anywhere in the ribbon panel, then click Show Panels, and select Create Freeform from the list. Then left-click anywhere in the workspace. After that, make sure that the unit is in millimeters. On the ribbon panel, select Tool Stop, click the Document Settings, click the Unit tab, and change the length into millimeter, and click OK to exit the document settings. On the 3D Model tab, under the Create Freeform panel, expand the Primitive toolset, then select Box. Then the dialog box appears with options to specify dimensions, faces, modeling direction, and symmetry. To place the box, click the XZ plane, and then click the projected origin point at the center, and a preview appears. Key in 100 for the length with 6 faces. For the width, type 100 with 4 faces. For the height, type 50 with 4 faces. And for the modeling direction, we were going to use this both direction, which means that the figure is divided equally by the plane. Then click the length symmetry to enable the symmetry on the length of the figure. Then click OK to exit the dialog box. Zoom out your view using your mouse wheel, then drag it to the center, and let's proceed to the next step. Click the Freeform tab. On the Edit panel, click the Edit Form, and the dialog box will appear. On the Edit Form dialog box, choose a filter to select a specific type of geometry. For the points, only the points are available for selection. For the edges, only edges are available for selections. For the faces, only the faces are available for selection. For all, points, faces, edges are available for selection. And for a body is available for selection. Optionally, in the Edit Form dialog box, choose Selection Options. Select Loop after you select an edge to select the entire chain. But first, we need to change the filter to Edge in order to select the edge of the figure. Then left-click on this edge. Then click this loop under the Selection option. And as you can see, there is a loop in this line. Select Display to toggle between blocky and smooth mode without canceling the editing command. As you can see, it changed into a block mode. But if I click the display button again, it will change it into original form. Use Toggle Smooth to toggle to blocky mode to look for overlapping edges and other modeling problems which may not be visible in smooth mode. For the transform, let's click this scale. And for the filter, click this edge to select the edge of the figure. Left click with this edge, and as you can see, only scale manipulator are available. For the rotation, only rotation manipulator are available. For the translation, only translation manipulator are available. And lastly, all, we have rotational, we have translational, and we have scale. And for the space, let's click with this world, and world orients the manipulator with the model origin, while the view orients the manipulator relative to the current view of the model. And lastly, local orients the manipulator relative to the selected object. And now we are done talking about Edit Freeform Geometry. Let's proceed to the next command. In this video, we were going to talk about Align and Delete Freeform Geometry. Use Align form to precisely reposition the model from a source of symmetry plane or vertex to a target plane. Click the Freeform tab under the Edit panel. Click the Align form and the dialog box appear. Enable the Symmetry Plane option if the body contains defined symmetry and you want to select a symmetry plane as the origin. Left-click with the Symmetry Plane. Then select the target plane or planar face on the origin. And for this one, we were going to use XZ plane. And as you can see, our figure aligned in the XZ plane. Then click OK to exit the dialog box. And now let's proceed to the next command. For the next command, use delete to refine the model to get the shape you are looking for. Click the Freeform tab. Under the Edit panel, click the Delete command and the dialog box appear. For the filter, left-click with this point and you can able to delete some points. Press Shift to select multiple objects. Then click OK. And as you've noticed, some edges that connect to that point has been deleted. Click the Delete command again. For the face, left-click with this one. Left-click, 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 and left-click. Then click OK. As you can see, we now have an open sheet body. And to delete a loop, double-click an edge. To create a loop, then click the Delete command on the ribbon panel. And as you've noticed, the loop has been deleted. And for the last command on this video, we were going to use a Move command. Click the Freeform tab. Under the Edit panel, click the Edit Form. Then double-click the figure to select the whole figure. Then zoom out your view using your mouse wheel to have a better view. Then drag it to the center. Then drag this manipulator upward. As you can see, we can freely move the figure. Or just type the distance 45. Then click OK. Then drag it to the center. And now we are done with the align, delete freeform geometry, and move a freeform body. In this video, we were going to talk about how to work with freeform edges. As you've noticed on our screen, we have two boxes that's set in freeform. For the first part, click the Freeform tab. Under the Modify panel, click the Insert Edge and the dialog box appear. Use the Edges selector to select edges in the graphics window. Left-click with this edge. In the Insert Edge dialog box, enter the location, and the location specify the position of the new edges using decimal percentage. The location must be between -1 and 1. You can also use a negative number for the location to reverse the insertion side of the edges. Just type negative on this one. Then specify the insertion mode. And for the first figure, we were going to use simple as the insertion mode. It adds the edges you specify, which may alter the shape, and click single as the insertion side. Then click OK. And for the second figure, click Insert Edge again. Then left-click with this edge on the figure. And for the insertion mode, click Exact. Then click OK. Exact adds the edges you specify and extra edges to maintain the current shape. And as you can see, the first figure changed its form while the second figure remains the original form. And for the second part, click the Freeform again. Under the Modify panel, left-click this arrow down beside the Insert Edge. Then click Insert Point. Insert points to add edges within the specified face. For this one, I'll left-click on this one. Left-click on this one. Then specify the insertion mode as simple. Then click OK. And for the second figure, click Insert Point again on the Modify panel. Then click Exact as the insertion mode. Then left-click on this line for the point. Then click OK. As I've said earlier, simple insertion mode alter the shape, while exact insertion mode maintain the current shape of the figure. And now let's proceed to the next video. And we're done discussing about the basic commands like inserting a freeform environment, edit freeform, insert edges, and so on. Those are the basic commands that we will use frequently in the form modeling. And for our next video, we're going to use a frame from the bicycle, and we will discuss how to insert freeform to a solid material. With the Freedom tool, you are free to explore smooth organic shapes that are difficult to achieve using normal history-based parametric modeling commands. You can combine freeform shapes with parametric modeling and direct editing techniques to create compelling designs that are demanded in today's competitive marketplace. Creating freeform primitives to align near or around existing solid features can be difficult in this lesson. You will discover the Freeform Convert tool, which makes it easy to reference existing solid feature surfaces to create freeform surfaces. On the ribbon panel, under the 3D Model tab, hover your cursor to create freeform, then select Convert, and Convert the Freeform window will appear from this window. Select the faces, then select the top cylindrical body of the bike, then click Uniform, and for the length, key in 6, and for the width, key in 7, then click OK. Our freeform feature is added to the browser, and the Freeform tab appears on the ribbon panel. To apply changes symmetrically to the surface, you must add Symmetry. From the Symmetry panel, select Symmetry, and the dialog box will appear from this window. Use Orbit to change the view of the figure. Then press Escape to cancel the command. Select Phase 1, and for Phase 1, select on this one. And for Phase 2, select on this one. Then click OK. Now you need to give Freeform volume. From the Modify panel, select Thicken, and the dialog box appears. Then select a freeform surface and key in 5 for the thickness. Then cycle through the available types for sharp, for soft, and for no edge. Select sharp and make sure that the direction is normal and it is in outer direction. Then click OK. You can divide some faces into smaller faces. Select Subdivide on the Modify panel. In the Subdivide dialog box, you are prompted to select faces. Left click on this one for the first face. Then key in 2 for the width. Key in 2 for the length. And use Exact as the mode to preserve the current shape. Then click OK to exit the Subdivide dialog box. Then click Edit Form on the ribbon panel, and the Edit Form dialog box will appear from this window. Zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. Press Ctrl to select multiple faces. Left click and left click. Left click again. Zoom out your view. Zoom in on this one. Left click. Then change the mode into translational. Left click. Translation. Reduce the number of manipulators on the screen. After that, spot the difference between the space of world and local. Click the local. As you can see, the direction of the manipulator change. Drag this arrow. Or specify the distance. Key in 15. Then press check to OK. And as you can see, the shape of the body of the frame of the bicycle change. Then click Finish Freeform on the Exit panel to exit the freeform environment. With this video, creating freeform shape to align existing solid feature is made easier with the Freeform Convert tool. Use this tool to help you build your freeform shape around your solid models. See you on the next video. And I'm back. And because of freeform, we can manipulate 3D models even it is in solid form. And now we're going to make a model using a plane, torus, and box. Those three are some tools in freeform. In this video, we were going to make a stool using freeform commands. To get started, we need to set our units into millimeters. Just click the tool stop on the ribbon panel. Select the document settings. Click the units and change it into millimeter. Then click OK. On the ribbon panel, select 3D Model tab. Hover your cursor to create freeform panel. Expand the primitive toolset. Then select plane. And the dialog box appears. And for the dialog box, we have options to specify dimensions, faces, and symmetry. To place the plane, click the XZ plane. Then click the projected origin point at the center and a preview appears. For the length, key in 50 with 4 faces, and for the width, 50 with 4 faces. And make sure that the length symmetry and the width symmetry is checked. Then click OK to exit the dialog box. Select this face, and as you have noticed, that the 3 other sides are also selected because the symmetry of the figure is activated. Then click the subdivide from the modify panel that splits existing faces into 2 or more faces, providing more control and detail to the freeform body. And for the number of faces, for the width, just 2, and for the length, 2, and for the mode, just click the exact to maintain the original form of the plane. Then click OK to exit the dialog box. After that, select these 2 edges on this side. Just press Ctrl or Shift to select multiple edges. Left click, then click the Edit Form under the Edit panel. Then click the Extrude on the dialog box. Then drag this arrow down. And as you can see, new shape form because of the extrude command. Just key in -50. Then click check. Then zoom out our view using your mouse wheel. Then drag it to the center. Zoom in again. Then drag it to the center. And as you can see, we made 4 legs from a simple plane with the help of freeform commands. Then we need to select this edge from the leg of this tool. Then click the arrow down beside Crease Edges. Then select and Crease Edges to remove a crease from the selected edges. Then press Ctrl and select the edge of the bottom part of the leg. Then click Insert Edge on the Modify panel. Just leave it to 0.5 for the location, and for the mode, simple. Then click OK. We need to insert two edges in order to create a support for the leg of the stool. Just click the insert edge again. Press Ctrl. Select these two edges. Just key in 0.7 for the next location. Just leave it to simple. Then click OK. And now we have these two edges. After that, we need to connect these two figures using the bridge command. Just click the bridge command on the ribbon panel. For the first side, just click on this side. And for the second side, just click on this one. Then click OK. Repeat the process on this side. To connect these two sides, just click the bridge command again. First side, left click. And for the second side, left click, then click OK. And for the second part, we're going to compress these legs using transform command on the edit form to make it look like a stool. First, click the front view in the view cube and left click anywhere in the workspace and green selection appear. And make sure that the half of the leg is in the green selection. And as you've noticed, the other side of the leg is highlighted because of the symmetry. Right click, click the edit form, change the transform command into rotation. Then drag this point to rotate. Specify the rotation 12. Then click check. Change the view on the view cube. Left click anywhere in the workspace again. Make sure it is in the green selection. Right click, click edit form. Change it into rotation. Specify the rotation, -12. Then click check. After that, we need to flatten this part. Just left click at the upper side of our figure and the red selection would appear, and make sure that the part that we want to flatten is in the red selection. Then select flatten on the modify paddle, and as you can see, it is already flattened. Then click OK. Click home on the view cube to have a good perspective on our figure, and left click at any of these faces. Then right click, click the edit form, then drag this translation downward, then specify distance -5, then press enter. And for the next step, we need to use thicken command to convert an open surface to a solid with soft or sharp edges. Just click the thicken command under the modify panel, then click your figure. And for the type, just use sharp. And for the thickness, just key in 2. And make sure that the direction is in normal. Then flip the direction. Then click OK. And now we're almost done with our stool. Just click the Finish Freeform on the Exit panel to exit the Freeform environment. And now, our Freeform figure is now in a solid form. We just need to make a hole in the center. Just click the plane under the work fixtures. Select Offset from plane. Then click the origin from the model. Just click this XZ plane. Then click the front view in the view cube. Then drag this arrow down. Or specify the distance -3. Then press enter. Click the home view again on the view cube. Then click the Start 2D Sketch under the 3D Model tab. Select this plane to create new sketch. Then click the Circle command under the Create panel. Specify the center of the circle on this center. Then key in 12 for the radius. Then press Enter. Then click the Finish Sketch from the Exit panel. After that, we just need to use Hole under the Modify panel. Then click the center of the circle to make a hole. Then type the radius 10. Then click OK. Select the work plane from the model. Then right click. Then uncheck the visibility of the work plane. After that, we need to make a fillet on this side and this side. Just click the fillet command under the Modify panel. Then key in 0.5 for the radius. Then left click the edges that you need to fillet. Left click. Left click. Left click again. And left click. Change the view in the view cube. Select this upper corner of the view cube. Left click. Left click. Change the view again in this upper corner. Then left click. And left click. And now we're done making our fillet. Just click OK to exit the fillet command. Just click the View tab on the ribbon panel. Select this visual style and change it into realistic. Then change the material into anything you like. And for this one, we're going to use light red. And now we're done creating stool with Freeform. In this video, we were going to make a phone stand out of 2 boxes using Freeform tools. To get started, we need to set our units into millimeters. Just click the Tools tab. Select the document settings. Click the units. Then change the length from inch to millimeter. Then click OK. Click the 3D Model tab. Under the Create Freeform panel, select the box. To place the box, click the XZ plane. Then click the projected origin point at the center. And a preview appears. In the dialog box, key in 75 for the length. And for the width, key in 100. And for the height, key in 20. And for the faces, key in 4 for the length. And for the width, 4. Then make sure that the length symmetry is checked, width symmetry is checked, and the height symmetry is checked. And for the direction, choose both direction, then click OK. Place another box, but this time on the XY plane. But first, let's just zoom out our view using our mouse wheel, then drag it to the center. Under the Create Freeform panel, select Box. And for the origin, click the XY plane. Then specify the point of origin at this center. Key in 120 for the length. 75 for the width. 20 for the height. Click both directions. Key in 6 for the faces. Key in 4. Check length symmetry. width symmetry, height symmetry, then click OK. Drag our figure to the center. Then we need to change the view in order to view the back of the second figure. But first, we need to move this one into the right side. Just click the right view on the view cube. Then double click this figure to select the whole figure. Then right click, select edit form. Drag this translational. Then specify the distance 75. Then press enter. Double click again. Right click. Select edit form. Move this translational in upward direction. Then specify the distance 25. Then press enter. In order to connect these two figures, we need to use bridge command. The bridge command connect bodies or create holes in freeform bodies. It allows us to develop smooth connections by specifying faces or edges to the bridge. We need to change the view. Just click the upper left corner of the right view. Then select the bridge command on the modify panel. And for the first side, just select these four faces. Left click, left click, left click, and left click. And for the second side, left click, left click, left click again, and left click. Then click OK. And as you can see, the two figures connect to each other. Just click the home view in order to view it clearly. After that, we need to use crease edges on these edges in order to create sharp edges. Just click the crease edges on the modify panel. Then select the edges that we need to crease. Left click on this one. Left click on this one. Left click. And left click. Change the view. Just left click on this corner. Left click on this one. Left click. Change the view again. Left click. And left click. Then click OK. Just click the home view again for the next command. Then click Finish Freeform on the Exit panel to exit the freeform environment. See you on the next video. And for the finishing touches, we need to make an extrude cut part on this face. Just click the plane on the work features. Select offset from plane. And on the origin, just click this XY plane. Then drag this arrow on this side. Then specify the distance 80. Then click OK. Select Start 2D Sketch under the 3D Model tab. Select the plane. Then drag it to the center. After that, just select the Slice Graphics on the lower side of the graphics window. Then click the arrow down beside the project geometry. Select Project Cut Edges. But first, we need to make sure that it is in the construction. Just click this one first. Then left click this arrow down beside the project geometry. Select Project Cut Edges. And as you can see, there is a construction line on this side. Then select the line command under the Create panel. Specify the center on this one. Then type 5. Then press Enter. Enter again. Then select the rectangular command, but make sure it is not in construction line. Left click with this construction. Click this rectangle under the Create panel. Make a rectangle at any dimension. Left click. Then we need to use dimension under the constraint panel. Left click with this first line. And for the second, this one, type the dimension of 5. Then click check. And for this side, left click on this line. Left click on this point. Type the dimension of 5. Then press enter. After that, we need to use the constraint in order to move in this line. Just left click on this coincident constraint. Then specify the center of the figure. Then zoom in your view using your mouse wheel to have a better view. Left click at the end point of this line that we've created earlier. And as you can see, it is now constrained. Left click on the line command again. Specify the center. Type the distance 5, then press enter. Press escape to cancel the command. Select the coincident constraint again. Select the center of this figure and the end point of this line. And now it's already constrained. And for the next step, just click the finish sketch on the exit panel. Then click the extrude command under the create panel. Then change the output into cut. And now we're almost done with our phone stand. Then click this work plane, right click, and check the visibility. And to make it more realistic, just click the view tab on the ribbon panel. Select the visual style and change it into realistic. Then click the material. Change it into orange red or anything you want as your material. And now we're done creating our phone stand. In this video, we were going to make a chain using the Torus command. Under the Create Freeform panel, select the primitive toolset and select the Torus command. And for the plane, just left click with this XY plane. Then specify the origin point at the center. And for the radius, key in 3. And for the ring, just leave it to 0.5 and make sure that the 3 symmetry is activated. Just check on this one, check on this one, check on this one, then click OK. After that, click the front view in the view cube. Select these faces. Just press Ctrl to select multiple faces. Left click, left click, left click again, and left click. And as you've noticed, the other side of the torus is highlighted because of the symmetry. Just click the home view. Then right click in the workspace. Click the edit form. Then drag this arrow on the right side and key in 1.5. Then press enter. Click the front view again. Select these faces again. Just press Ctrl, left click, left click, left click, and left click. Click the home view again. Right click in the workspace. Click the edit form. Drag this arrow on the left side. Key in 1. Then press enter. Drag this figure into this left side. we need to copy this figure in order to make a chain. Just double click the figure. Then press Ctrl C on the keyboard. Press Ctrl V to paste. Drag this arrow on the right side. Then we need to key in 15. Then press enter. Then we need to align this figure on the XZ plane. Just click the align form. Just click this XY plane. And on the origin, just click the XZ plane to align it on the selected plane. Then click OK to exit the dialog box. And we need to move this figure into this one in order to look like a chain. Just double click the figure again. Right click in the workspace. Click the edit form. Drag this arrow on the left side. Just key in -7.5 for the distance. Then press enter. Zoom out our view using your mouse wheel. Then drag it to the left side. Then we need to copy these two figures in order to complete the chain. Just double click this figure. Then press Ctrl to select another figure. Double click. Then press Ctrl on your keyboard for the copy command. Then press Ctrl V to paste. Then change the transform into translation. Zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. Drag it to the center. Then drag this arrow on the right side. Then key in 15 for the distance. Then zoom out our view using your mouse wheel. Then drag it to the center. And now we're done creating the chain. Click the Finish Freeform from the Exit panel. And in order to make it more realistic, click the View tab on the ribbon panel. Select the visual style. Change it into realistic. And for the material, you can select anything you want. But for this one, we're going to use gold metal. And now we're done creating chain with Freeform.
Alright, so as we continue our workshop for tonight, Mom Crush, I saw a comment there. She called you Mom Crush. Oh, Mom Crush. As
Hello.
we take a short break, can I just ask a question for you? And also, I think that many of our viewers wanna ask the same question with you. Mom, what are the advantages of using this Autodesk Inventor? Or how do you find this software?
Um, One of the advantages of using Inventor is it is easy to use and easy to learn, even though you don't have any background with Inventor. With just a little exploration and your dedication to learn, you can create anything you want in Inventor. And that is how fascinating the Inventor is, because we can be able to make stool and other materials just by slowly using simple plane, box, and torus. And as you have seen, this that is how easy and efficient in the usage of Inventor, because it is easy to understand, which will really help us to make our designs. And we just have to be creative and let the Inventor picture out what on our minds. And for the last part, let's create a figure using Freeform. And this time we're going to use a reference image. Unlike the other previous video, we don't have any reference image to create a freeform. So we are going to make a rubber duck. And remember that the process should be part by part, from head to beak to the body and to the eyes. In this video, we were going to create a rubber duck with Freeform. To get started, we need to set our units into millimeter. Just click the Tools tab, select the document settings, click the units, and change the length into millimeter. Then click OK to exit the document settings. And to officially start, on the 3D Model tab, select Start 2D Sketch, select the XY plane, and under the Insert panel, select Image, then click the reference image that we need, the rubber duck, then click Open. Then zoom out your view to place the image. Drag it to the center using your mouse wheel, then place it to the center, then left click to insert. Press Escape to cancel the command. Then click the Finish Sketch on the Exit panel. Then zoom out your view using your mouse wheel. Then drag it to the center. Under the Create Freeform panel, select Quadball. Click the XY plane. Then click the front view in the View Cube. Then zoom in your view in order for us to place the Quadball easily. Left click at the center of the head. Then key in 7 for the radius. Make sure that the X symmetry, Y symmetry, and the Z symmetry is activated. Then click OK. Zoom in your view again. As you can see, we need to align this Quadball into our figure using Edit Form. Just double click this face to highlight the whole figure. Then right click. Click the Edit Form. Use this translation command in order to place this Quadball into our figure. Then press Enter. Just left click on this face. Then right click. Click the Edit Form. Then move this arrow to the right side until we trace our figure. Then press Enter. Then left click anywhere in the workspace. Click the Edit Form. Select the Filter Edge. Select this edge. Then move this translation command until we trace the figure completely. Then press Enter. After that, select the Toggle Translucent under the Tools tab in order for us to view if the Quadball is already aligned on our figure. If it is not, left click anywhere in the workspace. Click the Edit Form. Select the edge on the filter. Left click with this edge. Just move the scale manipulator until it exact on our figure. Then press Enter. After that, we need to stretch these edges in order to trace the figure. But in order to do that, we need to clear the symmetry on the Quadball. Just select this arrow down on the Symmetry panel. Select the Clear Symmetry. Then select our Quadball. And as you've noticed, there is no symmetry. Right click anywhere in the workspace. Click the Edit Form. Select the edge on the filter. Left click with this edge. Move this translation manipulator until we trace the figure completely. Then press Enter. Proceed to the next side. Right click. Click the Edit Form. Select these edges. Select this edge. Use this translation manipulator. Then press Enter. On this side also, right click. Click the Edit Form. Use this translation manipulator. then press enter. Then we need to move also these edges. Right click, click the edit form, select the edge, left click on this edge, then use the translation manipulator, then press enter. And now we're done with our head. Select the finish freeform under the exit panel. See you on the next video. And for the second part of creating rubber duck, under the Create Freeform panel, select the Quadball, select the XY plane, key in 1.5 for the radius, and make sure that the Z symmetry is activated. Place the Quadball at the beak, then click OK. Then zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. Then we need to stretch this one. Right click, click edit form. Use the translation manipulator. Then trace the figure. Then press enter. And for this side, right click, click edit form. Use the translation manipulator to trace the figure. Then press enter. For this side, click edit form. Use the translation manipulator. Then press enter. And for this one, click edit form. Use the translation manipulator to trace the figure. Then press enter. And for this edge, right click, click the edit form. Then move the translation manipulator. Then press enter. Right click, click the edit form. Use this translation manipulator to compress. Then press enter. For this edge, click the edit form. Use the scale to stretch also. Then repeat the process until you trace the figure completely using edit form, translation manipulator, and other manipulators. Then press enter. Then we need to use insert point. Left click. Use exact as the mode. Then place the point here in order for us to trace the beak easily. Then zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. Right click, click the edit form, select the edge as the filter, select on this edge, then use the translation manipulator to trace the upper side of the beak, then press enter. After that, we need to use toggle translucent to clearly view the figure. Right click on this edge, click the edit form, use the scale to compress the figure. Then press enter. Right click on this edit form again. Use the translation manipulator. Then press enter. For this edge, click edit form. Use the translation manipulator again. Then press enter. And for this edge, use the translation manipulator, trace the upper side of the beak, click the edit form. Just try and try until you trace the figure completely. Right click, click edit form, use this translation manipulator, then press enter. For this edge, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator again, then press enter. Then use translation manipulator on this edge, trace the figure, then press enter. And for this edge, click the edit form, translation manipulator again, then press enter. And for this edge, click the edit form, then compress it using the translation manipulator, and press enter. And for this point, right click, click the Edit Form, use the Translation Manipulator, then press Enter. Then click the Finish Freeform on the Exit panel, and as you've noticed, it is not aligned. Left-click at any of the faces, select Edit Freeform, right-click, click the Edit Form, move the Translation Manipulator to trace it, then press Enter. Right-click, click the Edit Form, use the Translation Manipulator, then press Enter. Then select Finish Freeform, and now we're done for the second part. See you on the next video. And for the continuation of creating big, under the Create Freeform panel, select Quadball, select the XY plane, then zoom in your view using your mouse wheel, key in 1 for the radius, select Z Symmetry, then place the Quadball into the beak, then press Enter. After that, right-click, click the Edit Form, use the Translation Manipulator to trace the figure, then press Enter. On this side, right-click, click the Edit Form, Translation Manipulator, then trace the figure. Then press Enter. And for this side, right-click, click the Edit Form, use the Translation Manipulator again, then press Enter. Select the Toggle Translucent to view the figure. Right-click, click the Edit Form, move the Translation Manipulator again, then press Enter. On this edge, click the Edit Form, drag this arrow down, then press Enter. On this edge, click the Edit Form, use the Translation Manipulator, then press OK. And for this side, right-click, click the Edit Form, then press Check. Click the Edit Form again, drag this arrow down, then press Enter. Click the Edit Form, drag this arrow up, then press Enter. And now we're done for the second part of creating the beak. Select Finish Freeform on the Exit panel to exit the Freeform environment. See you on the next video. In this video, we were going to create the body of the rubber duck. And to get started, under the Create Freeform, select the Quadball, key in 7.5 for the radius. Make sure that the X, Y, Z symmetry is activated. Select the XY plane. Place the Quadball. Then click OK. After that, right-click, click the Edit Form. Move the arrow on the right side to stretch. Then click OK. Right-click, click Edit Form, move this arrow down, then click Check. On this edge, right-click, repeat Edit Form, move this Translation Manipulator, then press Enter. Double-click this face to select the whole figure, click the Edit Form, move this arrow on the right side, and for this arrow, upward, move this arrow again on the left side, then press Enter. And in order for us to edit the freeform freely, we need to delete the symmetry. And in order to do that, select the symmetry, click the Clear Symmetry, then select the figure. And as you've noticed, there is no symmetry, but we need the Z symmetry. Just click the symmetry, Select this face, then click the home view. Select the other face on the other side, then click OK. Then click the front view. Zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. Right click, click the edit form, select the edge, left click on this edge, use the translation manipulator, then press enter. Right click, click the edit form, left click on this edge, left click, use the translation manipulator, then press enter. Right click, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator again, then press enter. For this edge, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator, then press enter. For this edge again, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator to trace the figure, then press enter. And for this side, right click, click the edit form, then use the translation manipulator on the right side, then press enter. On this face, click the edit form, then use the translation manipulator again, then press enter. Then we need to use insert point. Click the insert point, click exact as the mode, insert the point on here, then click OK. Then zoom in your view, drag it to the center, right click, click the edit form, select edge as the filter, use the translation manipulator to trace the figure, then press OK. Right click, click the edit form, select this edge, use the translation manipulator to fit our freeform into the figure, drag it to the left, use the translation manipulator again, then press enter. Right click, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator on this face, then press enter. And for this point, click the edit form, then drag it down, then press enter. Press Ctrl, then select these edges, drag this arrow down, then press enter. And for this side, right click, click the edit form, drag this arrow down, then press enter. And for this edge, click the edit form, select the edge, then drag this manipulator, then click OK. And for this edge, right click, click the edit form, use the scale manipulator and the translation manipulator, then trace the figure, then press enter. Click the edit form, then use the translation manipulator to fit into the figure, then click OK. See you on the next video. Select the toggle translucent to clearly view the reference image. Right click, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator, and as you can see, we can fit the freeform into the reference image. Instead, use insert point, use exact, insert point here, then click OK. Then right click, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator again, then press enter. Right click again, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator, then press enter. For this edge, click the edit form, use the scale manipulator to compress the figure, then press enter. And for this one, click the edit form, use this arrow, then drag it to the right side, then press enter. And for this edge, click the edit form, then press enter. Then use subdivide on this face, then click OK. Right click, click the edit form, drag this manipulator, then click OK. Click the edit form, drag this manipulator until it fits to the reference image, then click OK. Just repeat the process until we trace the figure completely. Just drag this manipulator, then press enter. Click the edit form, drag this manipulator, also the scale manipulator, then press enter. And for this edge, right click, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator, then press enter. And if you think our figure is okay, click finish freeform on the exit panel. And as you can see, our figure is not aligned on our reference image. Just press Ctrl Z to undo. Click the edit form, drag this arrow on the right side, then click OK. On this edge, drag this arrow up, then click OK. On this edge, drag this manipulator, then click OK. And for this one, drag this manipulator, then click OK. Then zoom out your view using your mouse wheel and finish freeform. And as you can see, our figure is not aligned with the reference image. Left click, click the edit form, zoom in your view using your mouse wheel, click the edit form, then drag this manipulator. Zoom out your view using your mouse wheel, then press enter. For this side, click the edit form, use the drag manipulator, then press enter. Then select finish freeform on the exit panel. And as you can see, it is not yet aligned to the reference image. Left click, click the edit freeform, right click, drag this manipulator, then click check. And for this edge, click edit form, drag this manipulator, then click OK. Click finish freeform. And now we're done creating the body. See you on the next video. And for the continuation of creating rubber duck, select the plane under the work features, click the offset from plane, then choose the XY plane, click the home view, then drag this arrow with a distance of 6.350 millimeter. After that, click the front view in the view cube. Then zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. Then drag this to the center. Click the quadball under the Create Freeform panel. Key in 1 for the radius. Select the Z Symmetry. Then place the quadball on the work plane that we've created earlier. Place the quadball here. Then click OK. Then zoom in your view using your mouse wheel again in order to stretch the quadball easily. Right click on this face. Click the edit form. Then use the translation manipulator to trace the eye of the rubber duck. Then press enter. Right click on this face. Click the edit form. Use the translation manipulator. Then press enter. Then for this edge, right click. Click the edit form. Use this translation manipulator. Then press enter. And for this side, right click. Click the edit form. Move this translation manipulator, then press enter. Then use the toggle translucent in order to view if it is already fit. Select toggle translucent. Then we need to move this edge Right click, click the edit form, use this translation manipulator, then press enter. For this side, right click, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator again, then press enter. On this side, click the edit form, use the translation manipulator, then press enter. And now we're done. Click the finish freeform to exit the freeform panel. Then click the home view. Then select this side in order to view the other side. Left click. Zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. And as you can see, the eye is already attached to the head of the rubber duck. And now let's proceed to the next step. Zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. Then drag this to the center. Click the arrow down under the plane. Select offset from plane. Click the plane that we've created earlier. Then click the home view. Move this arrow at this one. Then press enter. Select the quadball under the create freeform. Select the work plane that we've created. Key in a radius 0.5. Then select the Z symmetry. Click the front view in the view cube. Then zoom in your view using your mouse wheel to place the quadball. Left click on this one. Then click OK. Then right click. Click edit form. Select the body as the filter. Left click. Then use this translation manipulator to move. Then press enter. Zoom in your view again. Right click. Click the edit form. Select this face. Use the translation manipulator to trace the white in the eye. Then press enter. And for this face, click the edit form. Use the translation manipulator again. Then press enter. For this edge, click the edit form. Use the translation manipulator. Then press enter. For this side, click the edit form. Use the translation manipulator. Then press enter. Select the toggle translucent if you think it is already fit. And if it is, click the finish freeform under the exit panel. And now we're done creating with the eye. Let's proceed to the next video. And for the last part of creating rubber duck, we need to copy this eye into the other side. Just click the home view. Then right click on the work plane and check the visibility. And for the other work plane, right click and check the visibility. Then select this edge on the view cube. Zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. Then we need to mirror this one. Just click the mirror under the pattern panel. Select this mirror solids. Left click on this one. Left click. Then click the mirror plane. Select the origin from the model. Then click the XY plane. Then click this edge of the view cube. Then zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. And as you can see, it is mirror on this side. Then click OK. Click the home view again. Then click the front cube. Zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. And now we're done creating rubber duck. And in order to make it more realistic, we need to change the material of the different parts of the rubber duck. For the head and for the body, select the material, then use glossy gold or anything you want as your material. Then left click anywhere in the workspace. And for the beak, Form 4 and Form 5, select the material, then type orange, then press enter. And for the eye, left click on this one, select it, then change it into block, then press enter. And for the smallest one, click the Form 8, select the material, change it into white, then press enter. And for the other side, left click on this corner, and for this corner again, left click at the back, then zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. And for the mirror, we're going to use block. But for this one, zoom in your view using your mouse wheel. Double click the figure to select the whole figure. Select the material, change it into white, then press enter. Then drag it to the center using your mouse wheel. Then click the View tab on the ribbon panel. Select the visual style and change it into realistic. After that, right click on the sketch and check the visibility. And now we're done creating the rubber duck with Freeform.
Okay, so Mom Crashel, uh,
Yes.
me personally, I just wanted to ask you, what tips and techniques you share for those students and for those individuals that interested in using this Autodesk Inventor. So, what tips and techniques or the basic knowledge that you can share about them when they are about to start using this software?
If you want to learn Inventor, you can search anything on YouTube or anything of platform that you can learn. There are many videos that you can use as your tutorial and some pages that launch with Autodesk, some basic commands. And if you really want to learn using Inventor, just dedicate yourself in learning and focus on yourself on what you're going to make and just do whatever you want.
Thank you, Mom Crashel. And for those person asking for certificates of event or certification will be given. Just feel free to connect on our meetup slash Autodesk Community Philippines. Send us your full name, the title of the training, and your school and your course.